So my thinking was that I was going to clean up the garage first, but I can always find something else more fun to do, which in this case is this. I want to pull these exhaust manifolds off of here and put a muffler inside them. Now I measured this piece the other day. This is 3.5 inches. This is supposed to have some kind of muffler in it, but I don't know what it has, if anything. And really the only way to find out is to knock that apart. I can buy an extension for that, but I may not need to. I don't really know what's inside of this. I did go in town this morning, ordered me a couple of small cherry bombs or glass packs, and they're going to be here tomorrow. So what I'm going to do is just pop this whole header system right off of here and take it up there to the other garage. And I tried to get the one on the other side apart before and didn't have much luck. So what I'll probably do is heat this with a torch and see if I can get that pulled off of there. So first thing I'm going to do is just knock that off of there. Now this thing has a little kind of bolt right here, which is all rusted out. Heat tends to make things rust that way. This is stainless steel up here. This is not. And I know Bill painted this one time, but that didn't last no time at all. That's the way it is. All right, some YouTuber the other day said, "Do not." I think that's what he said. It was very commanding. It's very like, now I'm going to tell you what to do. Do not do this. So I don't respond well. I've divorced several wives already who thought they could tell me what I can and can't do. So I certainly ain't going to do what some YouTuber tells me to do. However, he was right. He said do not shoot video with the sun behind opposite of the camera because nobody can see you, and yeah, that's true actually. So I just put you here. Now my feeling is all you're going to see from here is the back side of me and my elbow. I ain't got a better place to put you, so just deal with it. And if you don't like it, look back through my comments and find that YouTuber tell me what to do, and just tell him to stop telling me what to do, and I will never do it again. Otherwise, just deal with it, okay? Just deal with it. Don't make me come out there. Oh, the joy. I've had a pretty good day already so far, and I hadn't even really got started doing anything much. This needs to go that way. I don't know. What do you think the chances are that this is going to come loose? See, y'all can't see nothing but the back side of me. Mr. YouTuber who tried to tell me what to do, I can only work where I can work. And you can't deal with it. We're going to watch Musty. He knows all about the importance of facing his camera the right direction. I'm just trying to get some work done here. If that bothers you, dang I say, and dang again, get over it. I go for the rest of you too. If it applies, if the shoe fits, I wear it. So what am I doing today? Oh, well, I got the power steering all fixed up on the Studebaker. Boy, I'm happy with that. There's a couple other things. The car is very loud, which bothers me a little bit. Like when I took somebody for a ride the other day. If I got into it, we couldn't talk because it makes too much noise. So I'm going to try putting a muffler inside of this pipe, but I don't know what's inside of the pipe now, so I need to figure out what's in there now before I can figure out what I can get in there. So we'll pop this off. We may have to heat that up to get it off, but we'll see. So, that's what we have for a muffler in there. Now, so that means that up here we have not that much. I wonder how far down this muffler goes, and I wonder if I can tell by maybe tapping on it. I don't suppose I can see anything up in there. Maybe I can if I get a flashlight. Let me get a flashlight. So, over here, that is 8.5 inches. So that probably goes right up to where this pipe starts right here. Yep, 8.5 inches there. And over here we have like 4 inches, which is just about enough to cover this little piece here, which we've got 3 inches of this is going to go in here. So I could actually go 9.5 inches over here and let part of this go down in there, because I've got about, that's 3.5 and that's 3, so I don't have much to play with there actually. But and that new pipe is going to be 3 inches, which is going to be a little bit smaller, but it'll go here. And another thing I could do, I don't know if I want to or not, is, well, I thought about buying another pipe, adding another small short pipe there. In fact, if I had a, let's see, that's 3.5 inches inside diameter. If I had a foot long 3.5 inside diameter pipe I could put here, maybe I ought to go look at that. Let's look down here. So I've got some space here, but I don't think I can get anything over in there the way that crook is right there. So I think like a 1 foot extension, 3.5 inches inside diameter would be perfect. Let's go see what we can find on it. So I went in there, and Summit had a pipe the right size, foot long, 3.5 inch inside diameter to, that's also 3.5 inch inside diameter. So, and I'm picking up some cherry bomb mufflers tomorrow up at O'Reilly's. So I'm going to go out and take the other side off and see if I can get it off of there too. Yeah, I'll go do that right now. Alright, so I'm going to pop this side off too. Same as that one. Bang, bang, crash. Bang, bang, crash. This one may be a little easier because I've had the bolt out of this side before. We'll see. I'll put you back here at the right place that the anonymous YouTuber, whoever he was, told me I should sit here. Okay then, that's going to be good. So, I can set these pieces aside